Hey guys, it's Katie's Crafts here again. Today we're going to be doing a very last minute DIY Christmas gifts video. Let's get right on with the DIYs. And also, just a little side note, here is my transformation challenge videos transformation, so if you'd like you can go check it out. It's on my channel. And if you enjoy my videos, and this video in particular, then smash that like button and subscribe. Number 1, a DIY portable fishing game. So you need a cardboard box, some felt, a pencil, some magnet, some lolly sticks, and some paper clips. So I'm just gonna take my felt, I'm gonna choose the color yellow, then I'm just gonna sketch out a small fish shape, and you're gonna wanna fold it over once before you cut it out, and then you'll have all these little fishies. So then I'm just gonna take my hot glue gun and hot glue a load of paper clips inside the 2 pieces of felt. Then when you're done that, you're gonna make a little fishing rod. So you're gonna cut up some lolly sticks, get some plastic ribbon or whatever, and hot glue the sticks on. And then you're gonna wanna glue some ribbon on as well. And then you're gonna glue a magnet on as well. Then I just took a cardboard box and I painted it on the inside and the outside, just to make it look better than I originally did. So all you have to do now is put everything inside, and voila! You have your magnet at the end of your fake fishing rod, and then you can pick up little fishies. Number 2, an origami Christmas card. So here I'm just taking a piece of white paper and folding it over like that, and then I'm gonna unfold it. Then I'm gonna fold all 4 corners in. Then when I was done that, I folded in the 2 sides like that, and then I folded in those triangle thingies, whatever. Then after that, I'm gonna flip that over and I'm gonna write Merry Christmas on it. This type of card also works for like any occasion, like Mother's Day, Father's Day, birthdays, all that sort of stuff. So then I'm just gonna say like to whoever. So now I'm just gonna draw a Christmas tree, and then like just decorate it in whatever way you like. So this card is going to be for my cousin Emma. I think she's 8 years old now, and she's really talented and all. Yeah, shout out to Emma. Then I'm gonna outline everything in purple metallic marker. By the way, I'm sorry this is so last minute. It's probably gonna be up on like Christmas Eve or something. It's just like I've been procrastinating a lot since I've been so busy, but like, carry on. So I just finished coloring and this is the final thing. So we just have to fold it over like what I'm demonstrating here. I'm much better at demonstrating in video. And also look at that adorable pencil that I've been using. My friend Alana made it for me. That's Alana with 2 L's and it's just so cute. Thanks Alana, shout out to you. So now I'm just gonna write pull on that little flap thing. So when you pull that little flap, it opens up the card and I'm just gonna decorate around that. So yeah, see you then. Then this big guy is gonna come in and we're gonna color the card with all the stuff. And here it is. You just pull it and it opens up. It's really cool and you should make it for someone. Make someone happy this Christmas. Number 3, my DIY Christmas baubles video. Here's the thumbnail. So in it, I made this snowman bauble, this reindeer bauble, and in the next clip, I made a holographic pink bauble. They're really cute, and I think you should go and check it out, and maybe hit that subscribe button and smash that like button. Here are 2 photo baubles that I made, and I think they're really cute, and yeah. Number 4, my transformation challenge box, but only your version. So here I just filled up a box with a few of my little eyeshadow palettes and some lip glosses. This is really a great gift because you can customize a box and then put whatever your person likes into it. I really hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did. If you did, then smash that like button, subscribe, and turn notifications on. If you do turn notifications on, don't forget to leave me a comment saying #craftification_squad. That's my cringy hashtag, so yeah. Again, I'm sort of sorry about like the way this is super last minute as well as the gifts. But yeah, I was busy procrastinating. So yeah, Katie's Crafts. Subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.